Do you know what that is, Ethan?
Right on, Mike.
It's a glow station.
Oh, I saw this on a commercial.
You did?
Glow station.
Can you hear him?
Yes, I can.
Okay. What else, bud?
This way.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh, what is that?
I don't know.
Ooh, it's glow-in-the-dark colors. The Magic Glow sticks and a marker. It goes with the glow station.
Now this one.
Okay, now that one.
Oh, I really wanted this.
What is it?
Star Wars figures.
Whoa!
And his Commander Cody friend. And then 2 bad guys.
Whoa.
This is yours.
Okay. What do you tell Grandma?
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's see that, Ethan.
What else is there, bud?
Is this one of them?
Uh-huh, that's one of them.
Star Wars. The same hat.
But that one has what else with it? Gloves.
Holy cow! Star Wars gloves. Oh, is this one of them?
Yes, it is.
Holy. Star Wars Lego pajamas. Star Wars Lego pajamas.
Cool. Wow, that's awesome. There's one more right there, bud.
This one?
Yes, that one.
Oh, a new one of them.
Yeah, a new one of these. It's called tie-dye.
Yeah.
What do you tell Grandma?
Thank you for everything.